Best foldable drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV. This foldable drone with a 1080p HD camera is designed especially for beginners and kids, making it easy and fun to fly right out of the box. Equipped with first-person view (FPV) technology, it streams real-time video directly to your smartphone or controller, letting you see exactly what the drone sees during flight. Its foldable design makes it highly portable, fitting conveniently into the included carrying case for easy transport and storage. The drone features intuitive controls including voice and gesture recognition, allowing users to command it with simple hand movements or spoken commands, which is ideal for younger pilots or those new to flying drones. It also has a one-key takeoff and landing function that simplifies starting and ending flights, reducing the risk of crashes during these critical phases. With optical flow positioning, the drone maintains stable and precise hovering, even indoors or in GPS-denied environments, improving flight accuracy and ease of control. Additional fun flight features include 360 degrees flips and waypoint flying, which enables users to set a custom flight path that the drone will follow automatically, perfect for creative aerial shots. Overall, this quadcopter is a beginner-friendly, feature-rich drone that balances easy operation with exciting capabilities. Its combination of HD video capture, smart control options, portability, and safety features make it an excellent choice for kids or novices eager to explore the world of drone flying. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with Camera is a versatile and user-friendly foldable drone designed for both adults and kids. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it delivers clear real-time FPV, first-person view, video streaming, allowing users to experience immersive aerial photography and videography. The drone's 90 degrees adjustable lens offers flexible angles for capturing a variety of perspectives. This compact drone features stable altitude hold technology, which maintains a consistent flying height automatically. This helps beginners achieve smooth and steady flights without complex controls. The gravity control function enables intuitive operation. Users can control the drone's movements simply by tilting their smartphone, making flying fun and accessible for all skill levels. Trajectory flight mode allows users to draw a flight path on their smartphone screen, and the drone will autonomously follow the set route, ideal for creative aerial shots. The foldable design ensures easy portability and storage, making it convenient to carry for outdoor adventures. One-key takeoff and landing functions simplify operation, allowing even beginners to launch or land the drone with a single button press safely. The package includes 2 batteries, extending flight time and enabling longer play sessions without waiting for recharging. Additional features like voice gesture control and 360 degrees flips add to the entertainment value. Overall, this mini drone offers a balanced blend of fun, functionality, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for newcomers and casual drone enthusiasts seeking quality aerial footage and a stable flying experience. Number 3. Drone with Camera. This 2K HD FPV drone is a versatile and beginner-friendly mini drone designed for kids and drone enthusiasts starting out. Equipped with a high-definition 2K camera, it delivers clear and crisp aerial photos and videos, giving you a fantastic first-person view (FPV) flying experience. The brushless motor ensures quieter operation, better efficiency, and longer-lasting durability compared to traditional brushed motors. One of its standout features is altitude hold, which maintains a stable flight height automatically, making it easier to control and ideal for smooth video capture. The drone also supports gesture selfie mode, allowing users to capture photos or videos with simple hand gestures, perfect for fun and effortless selfies. This compact drone is foldable, enhancing portability and convenience for travel or outdoor adventures. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, extending your flight time so you can enjoy longer flying sessions without frequent interruptions. The drone offers intelligent flight functions such as one-key takeoff and landing, ensuring simple and safe operation for beginners. Additionally, it supports 3D flips and stunts to add excitement and creativity to your flying experience. Waypoint Fly Mode lets you set custom flight paths for automated navigation, adding more control and fun for users. Overall, this mini drone combines ease of use, solid performance, and fun features in a compact design, making it an excellent choice for kids and beginners who want to explore the world of drones and aerial photography. Number 4. Drone with Camera. This foldable remote-control quadcopter drone with a 1080p camera is an ideal choice for beginners and adults looking for an easy-to-use yet feature-packed flying experience. Its compact, foldable design makes it highly portable and convenient to carry anywhere, perfect for travel or outdoor adventures. The drone offers a 1080p HD camera, allowing users to capture clear photos and videos from the sky, making it great for selfies, scenic shots, and casual aerial photography. Equipped with voice control and gesture selfie functions, this drone enables hands-free operation and effortless phototaking by simply using voice commands or hand gestures, enhancing user convenience and fun. The altitude hold feature ensures the drone maintains a steady flight height, making it easier to control and perfect for beginners still mastering flying skills. Additional beginner-friendly features include one-key start/landing, which allows smooth takeoff and landing with a single button press, minimizing the risk of crashes. The drone also performs exciting 3D flips and stunts, adding a playful element to flying. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, extending flight time and allowing longer usage without frequent recharging interruptions. Overall, this quadcopter drone combines ease of use, fun features, and good camera quality, making it an excellent gift or hobby gadget for novice pilots and adults who want to explore the world of drones without complexity. Number 5. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with Camera is a compact, foldable quadcopter designed for both beginners and adults who want an easy-to-use yet fun flying experience. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it delivers clear and vibrant first-person view (FPV) footage, allowing users to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. The camera lens is adjustable up to 90 degrees, giving flexibility to shoot from different angles and perspectives. This drone is highly portable thanks to its foldable design and comes with a handy carrying case, making it convenient to transport and store. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, effectively doubling flight time and minimizing downtime during use. Piloting is straightforward, featuring beginner-friendly controls such as one-key takeoff and one-key landing, which simplify the process of getting airborne and safely returning the drone. The built-in altitude hold function maintains a stable flight height, allowing smoother and more precise control, ideal for capturing steady footage. Additional fun features include 360 degrees flips and rolls, adding excitement and flair to flights. The drone also offers headless mode, which makes orientation easier for novices by aligning the controls with the pilot's perspective regardless of the drone's direction. This mini drone makes an excellent gift or toy for drone enthusiasts, hobbyists, or anyone wanting to explore aerial photography without the complexity of professional drones. Its combination of portability, ease of use, and solid camera quality makes it a standout option for beginners and casual flyers.